Let me write the track one is 7th one.
Sir. 7?
The next one is transistor.
7th is transistor, right?
Yes. You have to note it on your book, okay? Because here you write transistor in front of this one.
सर नंबर 5 में क्या लिखा है?
On number
लैपटॉप
5th.
के बाद
Yeah, mobile phone is there. Number 5th one.
and sir transistor and
Then integrated circuits are there. Just wait. I will write it here on number 8. Number 8. Integrated circuits.
number 7 transistor, number 8
Integrated circuits, if you want to write it in short form.
IC.
ICs. Number 9.
And sir last one is
Microchip.
microchip. Sir shortcuts की spelling क्या है? CIRCUTS.
Which one?
Circuits.
CIRCUITS.
CUITS.
Microchip.
Number 9. Microchip. Microchip. Number 1 first generation computers, number 2 second generation computers, number 3 microcomputer, number 4 laptop, number 4 mobile, number 5 mobile phones, number 6 vacuum tube, number 7 transistor, number 8 IC or integrated circuits, number 9 microchip.
Excellent.
Finished.
Finished? Have you written? Shall I erase?
Yes. Yes,
Everyone?
teacher.
Okay. Yes, open your notebook and write it now. Fill in the blanks is there on page number 9.
Sir, I don't have book.
Okay, then you note it on your notebook, on your rough copy. Okay. Page number, if you have book, so you use pencil and write the names. Number first. A we have.
I know, sir.
Good. Tell me the answer.
The first one. First one is vacuum tube.
Excellent.
And second is integrated circuit.
Brilliant. Very, very well. Number second.
Sir, can you send this picture in the group because I don't have book?
Okay, you write it on your notebook now. You can note it.
And sir, the third one, sir, the third one is transistor.
Excellent. Outstanding.
I do not.
There's a guy with a jet ski. Oh my god.
I don't have book. Can you please send the picture of?
There's a guy with a jet ski.
Vacuum tube. And integrated circuits, or you can write
And sir, transistor. And the fourth, the one is baby transistor.
Good.
Sir, which page?
Page number 9.
Page number 9.
Yes.
Page 9. What's the chapter name?
The first chapter.
What?
First chapter. Generations of computer. Yes. And dash carries and.
A dash useless transistor.
Oh, good. Very nice. Okay. Yes. In third, okay, transistor will come. Okay. Let me write the third first. Carries electronic signal.
Sir, today is Sunday.
Sunday. Monday.
M-O-N-D-A-Y. M-O-N-D-A-Y.
Electronic signals that tell the
Sir, ये exercise 1 है?
yes. In the blanks is there. Objectives. What to do.
Where is the book of computer? The computer book is not here. Sir, can you send page number 9 on group?
9. Okay, I will send.
Send it now.
First, you write it. Notebook.
Sir, send it on the group so I can copy it.
You have write it. Okay, you must write it now on your notebook in your copy. इसको आप अभी भी कॉपी में इसको आप नोट कर ले, ठीक है? फिर आप इसको नीट बनाए, ठीक है?
सर मेरे पास नोटबुक नहीं है तो मैं बुक में लिख रहा हूँ तो आप पिक्चर भेज दें ग्रुप पे.
Okay, I will also send the picture, but you have to write it now. Who have notebook? Have you written the first one?
Yes.
Right here, number 3rd. Number 3rd, we have a dash.
Mean.
Uses less electricity.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, can you please?
Less electricity than a vacuum tube. Transistor. Have you done? Have you written the second one?
Yes.
Yes.
Number 4. And dash. Just tell me the fourth blank.
Sir, ये भी पेज नंबर 9 है?
Yeah, same page number 9.
सर आप पिक्चर पेज की ग्रुप में भेज दें.
Okay.
Sir, the fourth one is baby transistor.
The fourth one is baby transistor.
Baby transistor.
Okay, good, nice try. Very, very well. And dashed transmits
Integrated circuit.
more electricity than
आपकी दूसरी क्लास में.
heat and comma left comma or voltage is increased. So baby transistor is the right answer.
Oh.
Have you done? Written?
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
what is fifth one? A dash is made from
The fifth one, a dash is made from silicon,
a
a
material.
material found in dashed sound and clay. Yes, you find out what will come. ICs,
ICS.
Yeah, you can say ICS. ICS means okay, integrated circuits. One is there. Their specific word which we use okay, IC means integrated circuit. If you use okay, SS means okay.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, why not?
Integrated circuit.
Yeah.
Can you please send the work that you are doing in the class?
Okay. I WhatsApp the picture okay in your group, grade 5. Okay.
सर आपने अभी तक मैसेज नहीं करा पिक्चर
So when you write it on your notebook after class, then I WhatsApp you, not during a class.
सर मैंने ब्लैंक नंबर 1 नहीं करा अभी
Okay. Okay. Class
Blank
time.
number 1 is vacuum tube.
Okay. Class time is over. Inshallah, we continue our class from tomorrow, and
Sir,
I will.
sir,
will
I know the sixth one. Sixth one is micro.
Sixth one is
microcomputers
No, microprocess.
brilliant. Microprocessor is the right answer. Very, very well. Excellent.
because I don't know I can't see the picture I don't know the
And
book
7 is answer 7 is baby.
Yeah.
baby
And
transistor
And the last one is a transistor.
good. Excellent. And the last one.
Transistor.
Excellent. Outstanding. Very, very well. Okay. We continue our class tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
is it finished
Yeah, it's finished.
the whole school
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
today's classes are finished
Yeah. Class.
Yes.
Okay. Allah
and
Hafiz.
plus who is OPVG